To turn on or turn off siren sound notifications vibrate in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, tap hearing enhancements, tap sound notifications, and then select settings, tap sound notifications are active if you turn on sound notification, and if turn off, tap sound notifications are paused. And then you must turn on live transcript and sound notification first. If off, tap sound notification switch until blue to turn on, and then tap siren. And then to turn on siren notification vibrate, tap vibrate switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.